Dyson, global leader in sewing technology. Dyson 181 heavy-duty compound feed lock-stitch sewing machine. Higher pressure foot lifting for thick materials. Synchronous material giving walking pressure foot mechanism to ensure smooth sewing of heavy materials. With a connecting rod, the rotating speed of the main axle is raised. The bottom material giving axle employing slides. Reduces noise and prolongs working life. Suitable for sewing shoes, sofa, industrial packing bags, safety and crane lifting belts, tents and other thick materials. Dyson 181 is the best choice for sewing heavy materials.